The Toyota Land Cruiser has long been known for its legendary reliability and rugged off-road capability, not for its track-inspired looks. But that hasn't stopped Liberty Walk, Japan's most flamboyant tuner, from transforming the new Land Cruiser 250 series into an aggressive street fighter that looks ready to take on the Mercedes-AMG G63. The wild creation debuted at the 2025 SEMA Show in Las Vegas, drawing crowds and cameras with its dramatic wide-body design and luxury performance vibe. Liberty Walk is no stranger to bold transformations, and this time, it's the Land Cruiser's turn to wear the brand's signature attitude. The company has previously worked its magic on the larger Land Cruiser 300, but this is the first time the smaller and newer 250 series, also known as the Prado in some markets, has been given the full LB Works treatment. At first glance, the Liberty Walk Land Cruiser doesn't look like an SUV that spends much time in the mud. Instead, it looks more at home in front of a nightclub or blasting down a city boulevard. The tuner completely reimagined the SUV's front end with a redesigned bumper featuring massive air intakes, integrated daytime running lights, and a sculpted hood insert that gives it a muscular, performance-ready stance. Along the sides, the SUV gains Liberty Walk's unmistakable bolt-on wide fenders that dramatically increase its width and give it a racing-inspired look. At the rear, the transformation continues with bumper extensions, a diffuser, and a trunk spoiler that add visual drama from every angle. A large rear wing completes the package, making the Land Cruiser look like it's ready for battle on the Autobahn rather than the Outback. Adding to the visual punch are custom Alpharex Nova Series LED headlights and taillights, giving the SUV a more premium and futuristic lighting signature. The stance of the Liberty Walk Land Cruiser is perhaps its most striking feature. The SUV sits low to the ground thanks to a modified suspension setup and wheel spacers that widen the track. It rides on a massive set of 24-inch forged alloy wheels from Vossen, wrapped in Toyo Proxys ST3 all-season performance tires. These wheels not only fill the extended arches perfectly, but also give the Land Cruiser a luxury performance SUV presence reminiscent of an AMG G-Wagon. Interestingly, despite its aggressive new look, Liberty Walk has not touched the SUV's powertrain. In the United States, the Land Cruiser is powered by Toyota's 2.4-liter iForce Max hybrid engine, producing 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. Power is delivered through an 8-speed automatic transmission to a full-time four-wheel drive system, ensuring the SUV still retains its legendary traction and drivability. While overseas markets may offer different engine options, Liberty Walk's focus here is pure visual impact rather than performance tuning. Of course, all this attitude comes at a cost. The complete Liberty Walk body kit for the Land Cruiser is priced at $8,800, while the stunning 24-inch Vossen wheels will set buyers back $14,850. For those who prefer to pick specific parts, Liberty Walk offers individual pricing: $2,420 for the front bumper, $1,100 for the rear bumper, $880 for the rear wing, $660 for the trunk spoiler, and $990 for the hood insert. While some purists may argue that the Land Cruiser was never meant to look this flashy, there's no denying the visual appeal of Liberty Walk's creation. It turns Toyota's practical off-roader into a head-turning statement of power and style. The blend of luxury, aggression, and Japanese craftsmanship makes this one of the most talked-about builds from the SEMA Show this year. Whether it's parked next to an AMG G63 or dominating the spotlight at a car meet, the Liberty Walk Land Cruiser proves that even the most rugged vehicles can have a wild side when given the Liberty Walk touch.